Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to blend two colors in Photopea. Let's begin. I apply step 1 and step 2. First of all, apply step 1, create a new layer and select the rectangle, color green again, create a new layer, blue. Okay. Then use blend mode, go to window tab, edit layer panel. Then select the blend layer, multiply for dark screen with lighten, some lighten, aligner dots and overlay, soft overlay, and step 2, opacity. Okay, delete this. And step 2, select the gradient tool options, select two color gradient plate and click example green color and blue color. Okay, press enter or OK. Use for to this area. Okay, create a new layer with certain area. That's it. Or use rectangle tool. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Double click. Sorry. Click OK. Scale, opacity, blend mode,